Are you ready to take a step towards feeling better, having more energy, and being healthier? Are you ready for a renewal? I may have something for you. If you've been feeling down and unmotivated, sluggish, tired, and lethargic, if you lack energy, vitality, focus, and mental clarity, then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Veronica. I'm a mindset shifter, I'm a FUELstyle queen, and I'm a life coach. I designed this simple and easy to follow program for anyone who wants to transition into a healthier FUELstyle so you can feel better, get out of your funk, clear up your skin, have more energy, get your glow back on, feel great, and even release some weight, all in one day. Renew to a New You is a one-day program where you will have the opportunity to immerse yourself in the energy and vibrancy of raw plant-based foods. One day Renew to a New You will get you started into the raw plant-based world of healthier food, or fuel as I like to call it. It's a chance to experience and enjoy a healthier FUELstyle while reaping the benefits of these amazing foods for just one day. You will experience more energy, mental clarity, and just how amazing you will feel. You'll be fueling your body with the highest nutrients possible, which will result in more vitality, less hunger and cravings, and you'll feel lighter and brighter. Is it possible to experience all that in one day? Yes, it is. If you've been thinking about making a change away from your current diet, but you don't know where to start or what to do first, I've got you covered. Meaning, I've created this one-day program as a no-brainer where you don't have to think about anything. I've created everything you need to succeed. You'll have all the tools you need to experience one day full of vibrant and energetic fuel. You will receive simple and easy to follow directions and instructional videos on how to prep and create all of your drinks, snack, meals, and your RAWlicious dessert. All for one day. And there's more. I've included bonuses, and who doesn't love bonuses? You will receive a bonus fuel list chart where you can put all of your shopping ingredients into the appropriate categories to keep you on track in the grocery store. You'll get bonus mindset mantras to help you shift your thoughts and your feelings around food and create positive actions and the results that you want. As a third bonus, you'll get a cravings chart where you can reference to help you replace bad cravings with healthier and better fuel choices. And as a special bonus, I'm offering to you free the popular Green is the New Black ebook that helps anyone with a caffeine addiction replace it with a clean, healthy green drink for energy, mental clarity, better focus, improved digestion, and overall health. You know, it's so important to start embracing your health and well-being, and you can start today by signing up for the one-day Renew to a New You program. Are you ready to renew yourself and embrace a new you? Are you ready to experience more energy? Are you ready to be healthier? Then this is your time to get renewed. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Begin to transform yourself and embrace the power of raw plant-based foods and ignite a renewed sense of energy and vitality. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Get ready for a one-day experience where you will feel raw amazing. Sign up today for one day Renew to a New You and see and feel the difference. Just fill out the information below, check out, and you'll be enrolled in this awesome one-day Renew to a New You program. Have a raw amazing day.